going to start my video on the bridge looking at the creek. Had a caravan come along, so I had to get moving. Anyway, good morning. I was ADV rider out on a questionable day, heading for Blackwood to meet up with Squeaky Boot and whoever else decides to turn up today. We've had a few days of rain and possibility of more today. Anyway, we'll get to Blackwood, see who turns up and decide where to go from there. Yeah, just leaving Blackwood. I think we're heading for Easter Monday track. I'm not sure exactly where Stephen's taking us. So we've got Stephen up front from Squeaky Boot. Behind him is John on the XR from Keep Your Data Tools Safe. Jules in front of me from Macedon Dual Sport. What else we got? Two behind us. We've got Joe. His channel is JB. He doesn't put up a great deal. And then Tim. I don't think he's got a channel as far as I know. At least this track's dry. Oh, that's right, he was looking for a hut. That's right, I remember stuff. So, trying again. So he's been in here with Maddie before, but he's having a bit of trouble finding it. Oh, there it is. Wow. Nice. Let's have a look at this art. It looks pretty cool. In the dark. Oh, yeah, not bad.
Not a bad one.
Yeah, got a window in there.
Yeah, a couple of weeks ago, I bumped into Maddie goes, I hear about his hut. Kind of...
You can never get a shot of the bikes all together. Someone always has to park off to the side. So we've got three DRZs, XR250 and a Husqvarna 701 and my old V-Strom. This is Easter Monday. We normally go up the hill. We're going to go round today. Yeah, there's going to be some puddles along here. Some are soft, some aren't. I'm just sticking to the wheel tracks for that. These centre ones are generally a ridge, and when they're wet, they're very slippery. The wheel tracks tend to be a bit more hard packed. Yeah, she's pretty slippery. I think there's some more big puddles coming up. Yep. From memory, this one's better. Oh, he's got to kickstart it in the water. Oh, what a pain in the ass. He's going to push it. I've got a feel on this side's better. I remember Andy going through it and I went through that side. Righto, let's go. Alright. Good to go again. XR started up. A bit tricky to kickstart it in the water. I love old bikes because some days you're glad you've got an electric starter. I think there's a big puddle right here. Look at this. This is a beautiful spot. Yeah, that log's as far as I've been. Looks slippery. Ooh. I have to walk it over now. I don't have a good approach. Oh. Need to run up. Nearly. Yeah, got a really bad run up to that hill. Did not help. Yeah, she's got quite muggy. Regretting wearing the wet weather gear now. Going up the middle level. I'm going in the water rut again. Ooh, not liking this. Far out. She's a bit rocky. Yep, we'll go to the right. Whoa. Man down. You alright? Oh shit. Slow down. You might be better off on that left, I think. Stephen slid out on this stuff. It's really slippery. I know. Yeah, if you can give me a push, we might be alright. He's going the same way. That's better. Yeah, very good. Probably better off getting out of the road, I think. much talking going on. She's pretty slippery. Bit of concentration. Oof. And I am cooking. It's only like a top of 21 degrees I think today. Just with the rain we've had, it's got quite humid. Oh, I know, what are you doing here? Ooh, which way is he going? Jules has found another track. Oh yeah. No, he's going to go through. Oh no, he's crossed up. I think he's right. Be good. Like just there, he looks like he started sliding. Yeah, doesn't take much, does it? Yeah, he's just lost the front end. See slide marks. Just happens so easy in this stuff. Just when you got your confidence up and you give it some, off you go. Yeah, we'll go through. I'll go up and find Stephen. Oh Jesus, that's steep. Oh no, I missed that one. Stephen just went down. That was some nasty clay. He just lost it. It's from Welcome Track. I don't remember this bit of it though. It's like a big ass hill. Far out. I've probably been on it before, but yeah, it's just not where I think I am. Neutral's not going to help. Oh, look at this. Yeah, I think I've been down it the other way when it was very chewed up and muddy. That tight bend was a bit of a challenge. Whew. Oh, what's that? Keep going. Where's everyone gone? Hey, we went the wrong way.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh shit! I've got to get back over that log now. I hope so. I got that way all right. No worries. Although we took a wrong turn apparently. That's a decent log. I think my battery's dead though. Camera just shut off before. Yeah, still in Basalt. Yeah, I've been down here before. Look at this. Wait for a second. Yeah, we're good. I think there's a chimney off to the side. We're going to do a sign out because I think that battery's going to die. Forgot to charge up my battery pack. Been a fantastic day. Great to meet Tim and John today, and always good to catch up with Joe, Stephen and Jules. Hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.